Well, Michael, 2 awards on the evening. How do you feel?
Yeah, very good. A little bit surprised, especially on the second award. Obviously, I knew I was going to get the golden boot, but it was very nice to receive the Players Player and very humbling because there was a very good candidate, especially with Andy Parkey. I thought he'd done very well this year, and to win it was a little bit of an honour, to be honest, because especially with having a little bit of a slow start to the season, but eventually picking up and more importantly, like winning the league, I suppose. But yeah, all in all, it's been a very good comeback to the Welsh Prem for me.
How do you feel that the second award specifically, it was voted by the club manager, so it's and your own club manager's not allowed to vote on it, so it's actually the opponents who have given you the nod on that?
No, it was a real honour, to be honest, because obviously the candidates involved, as I said before, some really good ones, and the managers as well. It's always good to get a perspective off your peers and somebody who your opposition, especially like somebody who you're coming across week in, week out. If they're obviously respecting what you're about, then it's always a little bit of a pat on the back and personal praise, and it shows that you're possibly doing things the right way. So going forward, it's always a good reflection, and it's a good account for yourself. So it's a good mark to take from.
You've left the Welsh Premier League, you've come back to the Corbett Sports League. What do you say about the standard of the league at present?
It definitely different from when I left it. You know, that was three and a half years ago. I do see an improvement, massive improvement. In fact, I think the 12 teams has in some respect helped the league. The quality of players definitely turned up a notch. And all in all, I think the competition for especially the top spot has really intensified. And I think, although my own reflection of this year, you might say that TNS have won it by a margin, but I don't think that's a true reflection. I think the teams and some of the players that are involved in the teams are much better.
And the next step is obviously to get an European success.
I think that's always been my, although winning the Welsh Premier League was a given, I think that was the first and foremost what we needed to do. I think the European ties is almost like the main dessert, the main meal of it all. I think the appetizer is the Welsh Prem. This part now is where we come into it and where we can really flex our muscles and see if we can go any further with it.
Michael, thanks for your time.
No problem.